Ready to move your Ethereum from Luno to the secure vaults of Trust Wallet? Let's dive right in. First, open your Luno app and tap on the Wallets tab located at the bottom of your screen. This will take you to a list of your cryptocurrency wallets. Find your Ethereum wallet and select it, then tap on the Withdraw button. This initiates the process of sending your Ethereum out of Luno. Now, let's switch over to your Trust Wallet app. Locate your Ethereum wallet and tap on it. Next, tap the Receive button. This will display your Ethereum address. You'll see your Ethereum address presented as both a string of characters and a QR code. Tap the copy icon next to the address to copy it to your clipboard. Ensure you're copying the Ethereum address and not any other cryptocurrency address. Go back to the Luno app and paste the Ethereum address you copied from Trust Wallet into the designated field. Double-check that the address matches exactly to avoid any loss of funds. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to withdraw. Remember to consider any withdrawal fees that Luno may charge. Review all the transaction details carefully, including the address and the amount. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm. You may need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. And that's it. The transaction is now being processed. It may take a few minutes for the Ethereum to appear in your Trust Wallet, depending on network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed on the Ethereum blockchain, you'll see your Ethereum balance updated in your Trust Wallet. You might also receive a notification you've successfully transferred your Ethereum.